want to cry?
No, I don't want to cry.
Do you want to run?
No, I don't want to run.
Do you want to jump?
No, I don't want to jump.
Do you want to read?
No, I don't want to read.
Do you want to write?
No, I don't want to write.
Do you want to dance?
No, I don't want to dance.
Do you want to sing?
No, I don't want to sing.
Do you want to swim?
No, I don't want to swim.
Do you want to draw?
No, I don't want to draw.
Do you want to play?
No, I don't want to play.
Do you want to eat?
No, I don't want to eat.
Do you want to sleep?
No, I don't want to sleep.
Do you want to travel?
No, I don't want to travel.
Do you want to cook?
No, I don't want to cook.
Do you want to paint?
No, I don't want to paint.
Do you want to play guitar?
No, I don't want to play guitar.
Do you want to ride a bike?
No, I don't want to ride a bike.
Do you want to go shopping?
No, I don't want to go shopping.
Do you want to watch a movie?
No, I don't want to watch a movie.
Do you want to play soccer?
No, I don't want to play soccer.
Do you want to go hiking?
No, I don't want to go hiking.
Do you want to read a book?
No, I don't want to read a book.
Do you want to write a letter?
No, I don't want to write a letter.
Do you want to make a phone call?
No, I don't want to make a phone call.
Do you want to send an email?
No, I don't want to send an email.
Do you want to take a photo?
No, I don't want to take a photo.
Do you want to listen to music?
No, I don't want to listen to music.
Do you want to go swimming?
No, I don't want to go swimming.
Do you want to play tennis?
No, I don't want to play tennis.
Do you want to go skiing?
No, I don't want to go skiing.
Do you want to play basketball?
No, I don't want to play basketball.
Do you want to go fishing?
No, I don't want to go fishing.
Do you want to play video games?
No, I don't want to play video games.
Do you want to go camping?
No, I don't want to go camping.
Do you want to play chess?
No, I don't want to play chess.
Do you want to go dancing?
No, I don't want to go dancing.
Do you want to play the piano?
No, I don't want to play the piano.
Do you want to play volleyball?
No, I don't want to play volleyball.
Do you want to go kayaking?
No, I don't want to go kayaking.
Do you want to go surfing?
No, I don't want to go surfing.